Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we got a special surprise for you. Today I'll be unboxing the SmallRig cage kit for Nikon Z8. If you're a content creator, videographer, photographer, this is something that you're going to be especially interested in. So let's dive right in and check it out. First off, let's take a look in the box and see what's inside. Using my special little knife as usual. Comes included a clip for the cables, an instruction manual, has a NATO rail with the actual Allen key. That's magnetic. And of course, what we were looking for, the cage itself. So it comes with 3 pieces. The camera cage is amazingly engineered, and it's made to actually hold the Nikon Z8 perfectly. It's made of lightweight material, aluminum I assume, but it's very strong. It actually adds an extra layer of protection for your Nikon Z8. Also, with the added accessories, this allows for you to do some tethering and adding power cables without having to worry about getting them jerked out by mistake. Attaching the cage to the camera is a breeze. It provides an easy access to the essential ports and buttons, allowing you to connect external monitors, microphones, and LED lights. Now I'm just going to show you a quick demonstration of how I put it together. This part will probably be sped up. And just like that, your Z8 kit cage is complete. So once again, we have the nano handle. We have the section here for the cables to make sure that they're in properly and they're not getting pulled out. And then we have the cage itself. Remembering to do the M2.5 key, sliding that apart across and then pushing that key in. You need to make sure you remove the latches, the D5s, I think they're called, just so you can get their clips in there. And everything else is done. Camera feels good. The full module, the full setup. Right? The weight is heavy. There's no doubt about it. When you put a cage on your camera, the weight hits you if you're not used to it. But I have everything there set up ready to go. And now, it's going to add on additional handle. These nano handles are very simple. It literally just clicked into place. And now I'm ready to go. I'm ready to shoot. I have the 24 to 70 on my camera right now in a moment. Great option. And it's nice and sturdy. The only thing I must say I do not care for is the fact that my external pieces that are going to be kind of sticking up. I got to figure out how I can either remove them and put them back in safely, or find another solution for it, because they're kind of exposed right now in a moment. But if I had to have any other things exposed, it's not too bad. I mean, just having the one exposed is not bad. That one takes care of the mics as well. And from what I understand, if you do want to mic this up, it's better to mic it up to the actual Ninja versus the actual camera, because that's where I'll be recording all my raw or in log coming from that. Once again, well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you found the video informative and the information was good.